capturing factory production data through the cloud, utilizing predictive maintenance and instant error detection data to generate production models, expanding on big data analytics to boost business through automatic adjustments to the production line, increasing yield rates and enabling energy optimization. Industry 4.0 is no longer a vision. It's already here, the new frontier for every tech firm. Committed to Industry 4.0, NEXCOM offers comprehensive solutions to capture data from robots, intelligent machines, and smart production lines. Collected data are aggregated at the edges for seamless integration with the cloud.
NEXCOM was founded in 1992. Today, we have several business lines like the IoT automation solutions, the digital surveillance, the smart medical, the embedded platforms, the mobile computing, and last but not the least, the network and the communication solutions. All the hardware platforms are based on Intel architecture. Under the IoT megatrend, NEXCOM also expands the solutions to the emerging applications including IoT, robot, connected cars, Industry 4.0, and the industrial security.
The key factor to the success of any Industry 4.0 solution is the accessibility of Internet of Machine, which allows data from every machine within the factory to be collected. In a traditional automated production line, machines vary in vendors, with individualized proprietary control systems and controllers. The differences in communication protocols prohibits direct communication between machines, making it difficult to capture equipment data and manage the system centrally. For manufacturers seeking solutions to upgrade their production lines, NEXCOM's Ethernet-based EtherCAT technology can play a vital and transformative role. The smart gateways powered by Intel technology convert the languages of heterogeneous equipment into one common control language. This allows machines using different protocols to work in cohesion and effectively enhance production line efficiency. For firms that are starting to build a smart production line from scratch, NEXCOM's highly flexible, PC-based smart controllers link and manage a wide range of equipment by integrating programming and data from robotic arms, programmable controllers, motion controllers, and visual recognition systems. This kind of advanced level integration is rare amongst controllers within the current market. Whether it's a traditional production line in dire need of upgrades or a newly implemented smart production line, you could always find the best solution at NEXCOM.
We have several Intel Atom-based gateways like the 950 and the Core i-based edge servers in the industrial IoT for best performance. We also have several Core i-based controllers like the NET 300 GMC and the Knife series for the smart machines and the robots with real-time response. All these systems are fan-less for ultra reliability.
Intel processors are powerful, reliable, and energy efficient. Paired with NEXCOM's outstanding design and manufacturing capabilities, industry-leading gateways and controllers are created. In addition to being compliant with heavy industry regulations, they have a high level of tolerance to temperature changes, shocks, and interferences. Even in the most grueling manufacturing environments, they remain consistent and efficient to enable reliable Internet of Machines performance. Meanwhile, the intuitive dashboard provides managers with a centralized view of live updates of the factory floor. Jointly developed by NEXCOM and Intel, the smart manufacturing solution has been adopted by Fairfriend Group, Taiwan's largest and the world's third largest machine tool manufacturer. By leveraging the solution to build more advanced connected machines, Fairfriend Group is enabling its global customers to optimize their production lines. The unification of various control systems with smart controllers simplifies the manufacturing infrastructure. With gateways to orchestrate communication protocols, effortless communication between smart machines is established. The NEXCOM Intel Smart Manufacturing Solution optimizes the success to Industry 4.0. It paves the way for manufacturers to craft their differentiation and secure their foothold in the era of artificial intelligence.